Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. My name is Lidia and my colleague Phalene and I are product managers at Google Play. Together, our teams have been working on a range of exciting updates designed to help you grow your businesses and maximize opportunities for your apps and games. And today, we're going to give you the inside scoop on all of them. There's a lot of features to cover, so we've grouped them into 3 main categories. First, we'll talk about the features that save you time. We'll show you how to streamline your day-to-day tasks, from managing custom store listings to running experiments, so you can focus on building great experiences and let new AI-powered tools do the rest. Next, we'll dive into reporting and insights. These are the tools and features that show you where to focus your efforts for maximum impact, like the new reporting tools in Play Console that give you actionable guidance at exactly the right time in your app's lifecycle. And finally, we'll focus on monetization tools, including the latest ways to boost your bottom line and reduce friction in the purchase journey. These updates are designed to work together to help you grow your business at every stage. So let's get started with a look at our first category, saving you time. Customized store experiences are one of the most effective ways to engage and attract users. But we know that creating them can be time-consuming. So we've streamlined content creation and testing for your store listings, so now you can drive those big results in less time. We've also made it easier to customize the landing experience by language by giving you the ability to import translations with Gemini. To submit translations for your listing, you no longer need to copy-paste them. All you need to provide is a structured document and we'll pre-populate the store listing forms for you. And for those of you who are new to custom listings or just need some fresh ideas, Gemini can help with recommendations and help you deploy your new custom listing with just a click. When Gemini identifies a new growth opportunity for your app, you'll see it in the recommendations section on the Grow Overview page, along with a custom listing to capture that opportunity that you can deploy right away. Last but not least, we've made it easier to transfer developer account details when an account owner moves on. With the new self-serve account owner transfer process, the current owner of the account can initiate a transfer to one of their team members. After proper verifications, you will be able to complete the process easily using Play Console. These are just a few examples, but together, all of these improvements add up to a lot less time spent on admin and a lot more time to focus on what matters most. Which brings us to the next batch of updates. Enhanced reporting and insights to help you figure out where to focus that time, including helpful guidance and tools to understand and optimize your performance, connect the dots, and maximize your ROI on Play. Starting at the top of the funnel, we've made significant improvements to the console's Grow Overview page. This includes new metrics to give you a consistent and comprehensive view of your growth funnel, from reach to acquisitions, first opens, engagement, and retention, all in one place. You'll also be able to see both user and device roll-ups for many of those metrics. To give you even more insight, we're also launching traffic source as a dimension across these metrics and others, including monetization. So for example, if you want to know what proportion of your engagement is driven by Explore acquisitions, or how your user retention compares across traffic sources, now you can find out with just a few clicks. But it's not just metrics themselves we've improved. We're also giving the reporting API a major upgrade, so you can consume all this data in a way that works for you. Until now, the API has only supported Android Vitals metrics, but we're in the process of adding not only console growth and monetization top-line metrics, but also content performance metrics. We're also offering an MCP server. Together, these updates will allow you to access your console data programmatically or using agents, and seamlessly integrate it into your own datasets and workflows. As a friendly reminder, access will depend on specific program requirements and account eligibility. Following last year's launch on the Play Console statistics page, Gemini-powered chat descriptions have now expanded to the reach and devices, store performance, and revenue pages. This brings critical, automated insights to your most vital charts, helping you interpret performance data more effectively at a glance. At the same time, we're also making it easier to compare and aggregate your data by standardizing more reports. Store listing reports will now be consistent with the way we report on other content, such as promotional content and YouTube videos. You will see updates to the way we count visitors, unique installs and opens, as well as pre-registrations and respective click-through rates, so you can more easily compare those metrics across different types of content. Speaking of clicks and click-through rates, we're also making an important update to the way we calculate this metric on Play. As Play Store drives more and more discovery pathways, we will move to indirect attribution for all store content, so we can capture more complex user journeys and provide you with deeper insights. All of these improvements, from new and enhanced metrics to better and more consistent reporting, will help you get a clearer, more detailed picture of the value of all your content on Play. But those aren't the only reports and metrics we've improved. So now, I'll pass the mic over to Phalene, who can tell us all about the improvements to our monetization metrics the team has been working on.
Thanks, Lidia. So to complete your ROI analysis, the Monetize with Play overview is the core destination. We've made some awesome upgrades to this page to give you an even clearer view of your revenue drivers, along with new insights. Let's check it out. Firstly, one of our newest AI features in development that you can take advantage of. You've told us that you spend a lot of time navigating in between all of the reporting pages to find what you're looking for. Well, why not see how effective your current monetization strategies are with a single click of the button using AI? You don't need to analyze multiple pages or even manually enter a prompt. Just click to see the latest insights on your buyers, conversion, churn, and pricing. Sign up to our early access program today. Earlier this year, we added the ability to track your cart conversion rate right within your core performance metrics, making it easier to optimize your conversions. Because Play's global presence extends across the whole Android device ecosystem, we recommend using the premium user device segment for benchmarking your performance. You can get a deeper understanding of user behavior and your user's intent to purchase by segmenting by other dimensions such as countries and buyer type. We're giving you more granular insights into the purchase journey with new metrics on network health, user intent, and payment processing, showing you exactly where friction exists so you can continue to optimize. Besides these new metrics, we've also given you more ways to understand your impact. Earlier this year, we launched a new Value Insights carousel, which highlights ROI that you might not already know about. For example, you might see how user-facing features, like purchase verifications and payment reminders, have increased purchase-ready users, which in turn led to an increase in your first-time buyers. Or, if you offer subscriptions, how many subscriptions have been recovered for our churn reduction features, such as resubscribe and payment decline recoveries. And this is just the start. We'd love to hear which insights you find the most useful, so please like the insights that you find more valuable to see more like them in the future. For finding your app's biggest opportunities, our tailored recommendations at the bottom of the Monetize with Play overview are focused on ways in which you can maximize your ROI. We've used Play-wide data to prioritize the ones we think could benefit your business the most. So go take a look today. So, thinking back to the app lifecycle, now that you've taken advantage of all the amazing ways to save time in growing your app and understand your ROI, the next step is to think about your ever-growing success in monetization. With that in mind, and to wrap things up, let's look at some of the newest tools to support your monetization strategy and reduce friction in the purchase journey. One of the most amazing things about Play is our huge global audience, and this is only getting bigger. Recently, we reached over 880 million purchase-ready users around the world. That's more than 1 in every 6 people on Earth. To help you reach this incredible audience, we've continued to expand our support for local payment methods in emerging markets, including Africa and South America, and added card networks in Asia, the Middle East, and Nordics. We've also enabled users to buy in Mongolia and provided developers in Kyrgyzstan and Kosovo with the ability to monetize, enabling the Play ecosystem to grow even further globally. For merchandising across Play Store surfaces, we've streamlined the console experience with a single unified merchandising flow to improve your efficiency and ROI. And even better, you can optimize those offers with the Play Billing Lab testing app, which makes it easy to test how your offers are shown to users on Play surfaces. And speaking of offers, Why not encourage your users to stick around and remind them what they love about their subscription by offering your subscribers a discount from within the Google Play cancellation flow? By engaging users at a critical moment, it's a great way to help you keep more subscribers. We're also partnering with developers, payments, and gifting partners to source offers for Play users, which will be automatically presented when they're ready to pay. No hunting for codes or waiting for a cashback for the user, and no extra work for you. Win-win. We've heard from you that churn can be challenging to solve for, so we've been looking at multiple ways to help you with your churn rate performance. First, we're streamlining the checkout experience for one-time products and subscriptions, starting with UPI. Buyers who use this payment method will now see a single screen checkout, so there's less time for user hesitation when they go to purchase. This is only the start, and we'll be rolling out our updates to other payment methods later this year. To improve your involuntary churn rates, we've enabled backup payment methods. Now, if a user has insufficient funds on their primary card, we can automatically charge the next payment method within their wallet. We've also rolled out dynamic grace periods for subscriptions. Using our personalized machine learning models, this feature turns grace periods into a precision tool for reducing churn. Instead of a single fixed grace period for everyone, our system can identify a high-value user and grant them a longer window to fix their payment without them losing access to your app's content. This intelligently reduces involuntary churn, all while maintaining a premium user experience. And next, we want to extend our flexible tooling to managing your purchases. We've introduced the Dynamic Purchases API, which lets you define all product metadata at runtime instead of predefining your products on Play Console. Finally, with more flexible pricing, you can now set product prices of up to $8,000 in supported markets. For more details, be sure to check out the Play Console Help Center. Don't forget that the quickest way to get access to all of these monetization features, including subscription churn reduction tools, pre-orders, auto top-ups and more, is by integrating directly with the Play billing library. This also helps you to avoid the functional limitations often found in middleware SDKs. To fully unlock the power of Play's billing platform, including the latest tools and features announced today, we strongly recommend upgrading to the Play Billing Library 9.0, available at the end of May. As a reminder, we will continue to support each major release of the Play Billing Library for 2 years. This means support for version 7 will end in November 2026, and you'll need to upgrade before you can publish new versions of your app. And that's it for our session. We hope you enjoyed learning about the latest ways to save time, gain deeper insights, and boost your bottom line with Play. We've certainly enjoyed sharing them with you. Thank you for spending your time with us and for all of your amazing work with Google Play.